Hey guys, welcome to Money Mindset and More. And today's video is further on how you can use global inspiration for innovation and what step you should take so that you can come up with some ideas for your local market. I'll cover in 4 steps and you can decide and choose how you want to do that. The first one is to analyze the original market. What are the key ideas they are trying to solve, what are their target audience, what are the value proposition they have, and what kind of delivery methods they are using to serve the local market. These are the some of the minimum things which you can see and analyze how they are doing it. Then you will evaluate your market fit in your local market against all those parameters. What kind of audience you are going to serve, what whether that concept is going to solve your local market or not. And then you have to evaluate the idea on economic, legal, and cultural factors. Those normally varies between many places, especially if you are trying to do something which is available in developing countries to a developed country. So you have to be very careful about that. Then you tailor your application and execution in the local market. You have to make sure that you have localized for design, you have localized for branding, and most importantly, language. Most of the time, if you try to implement something from China or India to, let's say, US, the meanings of words which are totally different in those countries as compared to US, especially in case of India, because Indian English is very much influenced by UK. Many words and things which we use in India is totally different when we use in US. So you have to be very careful. This is just an example. So you have to localize all those aspects when you are doing an execution planning. Last step is you have to test the adoption of the idea or solution in the local market. You have to launch with a small group of people or a small group of customers, and then you gather the feedback based upon how they are using it. And then you adjust the idea, product, and service and things which you want to take into larger market. That has to be done before you go big bang, I would say, because you will save a lot of time. You might have money from funding, but you will save a lot of time. After all those feedback, you have to adjust and relaunch, and then you can decide how you want to go big bang. You can partner with somebody or not, and things like that. A very unique example for this is the micro living in urban United States is very much inspired from the mini capsule hotels in Japan. And the target audience which they have taken in US is working professionals and students. And working professionals mean people who are just out of college and they are trying to figure out what they want to do and which place they want to live. And between they figure out, okay, we have to live long term in, let's say, in LA, but they got a job in New York. Those kind of people you can serve for a micro living for a certain period of time. And that's how they have addressed it. So these are the steps for global inspiration. I will recommend to refer my videos on observation, personal experience, and industry trend. If you combine all those things with global inspiration, you will get some very good unique ideas which are easy to execute and does not require a lot of capital. Let me know what you have on your mind. Give some feedback and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Take care.